Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 11 trigonometry. In previous class already we discussed introduction of trigonometry, systems for measuring the angles. There are three systems. One is sexagesimal system, centesimal system or circular systems. Already we discussed the three systems. Now naming the sides in a right triangle. Naming the sides in a right triangle. Let us consider a right triangle. See, I am taking like this. Triangle ABC is a right triangle. Right angle at what now? B. ABC is a right triangle. Right angle at B. We know in a right angle triangle, one of the angle measures exactly 90 degrees means other two angles are what now? Acute angles. Yes. See clearly, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Angle A comma angle C are acute angles. Okay. Now I am taking here angle A is equals to theta. So theta is a Greek letter, Nana. Theta is a Greek letter. We can read it as theta. Okay, you can read it as theta. Okay. Now, with respect to angle A, what is the opposite side of angle A? ये angle A की opposite side है ना? With respect to angle A, the opposite side is BC. Okay. With respect to angle A, that is theta, the adjacent side is AB. With respect to angle theta, what is the hypotenuse? The longest side in a right angle triangle. That is what, Nana? Hypotenuse. So sometimes we can write it as perpendicular also. Perpendicular. Sometimes adjacent side we can read it as that is the base. Okay. Now see. Everyone observe here. With respect to angle P, what is the opposite side, Nana? The angle P ki opposite side enti? That is QR. This is opposite side. Okay. Again with respect to angle P, what is its adjacent side, Nana? PQ is the adjacent side. With respect to angle P, what is the longest side? The hypotenuse is PR. Now see, again in this triangle, now you consider angle R. With respect to angle R, what is the opposite side? Just now with respect to angle P, the opposite side is QR. Now with respect to angle R, what is the opposite side? That is QR. This is PQ. This is the opposite side. With respect to angle R, what is the adjacent side? This is the adjacent side. Ante angle P consider cheste. With respect to angle P, QR is the opposite side, PQ is the adjacent side. But with respect to angle R, PQ is the opposite side and QR is the adjacent side. So this is the small difference. So hypotenuse is same. Okay, students? Next topic is trigonometric ratios. Simply what now? T ratios. let xo x dash and yo y dash are the rectangular axis of coordinates. Okay, let xo x dash and yo y dash are the rectangular axis of coordinates. Now everyone see Nana. We know xo x dash yo y dash. Clearly this is the coordinate system. Okay, so x axis ki y axis ki common intersecting point is, that is origin. Now what I am taking here, taking a point on ox. Ox is a ray from O to, this is what Nana, a ray. Okay, taking a point A on ox. Now OA is a ray. It is rotating anti-clockwise direction. OA in a ray, it is rotating anti-clockwise direction about its point O. After some interval time, ఈ రే ఇలా రొటేట్ అవుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఆఫ్టర్ సమ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఆఫ్ టైం ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చేసింది అనుకున్నాం. ఓకే, సో ఓఏ ఈజ్ ద ఇనిషియల్ సైడ్. అప్పుడు ఇదేమవుతుంది నాన్న, ఓఏ ఈజ్ ద ఇనిషియల్ సైడ్ అండ్ OP is what Nana? OP is the, this is OP is the terminal side. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా, in anti-clockwise direction. Yes, OA is the ray and OP is the terminal position of OA. Now from P onwards I am drawing perpendicular. Okay, now that is what Nana, it touches OA at B. Now clearly PB is perpendicular to OA. Now their form angle POB is equals to what Nana? Theta. Angle POB is equals to theta. So this is, I am taking, this is P perpendicular and this OB is called what Nana? This OB is called, this is the base. Already I told, perpendicular is the, sometimes we can consider it as a opposite side and base is the, sometimes we consider it as a adjacent side. Okay, so otherwise your wish, you can write like this, opposite side, this is adjacent side. Okay, so this is the hypotenuse. OP is the hypotenuse. Now see Nana, trigonometric ratios. Sine of, the first one is sine of angle theta. Sine of angle theta, or simply sine of theta. You can write like this, sine of theta. See, sine of theta means this is the theta. Okay, the angle with respect to theta. What is the opposite side? Opposite side is PB. Okay, simply I am writing like this, opposite side by hypotenuse. So that is opposite side means what Nana? PB by hypotenuse means what Nana? That is OP. Okay, next cosine of theta. Cosine of theta. Cosine of theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. With respect to theta, What is its adjacent side? That is OB. By hypotenuse means what? That is OP. Next, third one, tangent. Tangent of theta. Tangent of theta. Tangent of theta means that with respect to theta, the opposite side by adjacent side. So that is means what? Opposite side of theta, PB, by adjacent side of theta, that is OB. Next, cotangent. Tangent after what? Cotangent. Cotangent of theta. Cotangent of theta means that is the reciprocal of tangent of theta, means that is adjacent side of angle theta by opposite side, that is equals to OB by PB. Next, secant of theta. Secant of theta means that is hypotenuse by adjacent. So with respect to theta, what is the hypotenuse? That is OP by what is the adjacent side, Nana? That is OB. Next, sixth one, that is cosecant of theta. Cosecant of theta means with respect to theta, hypotenuse by opposite side, that is equals to hypotenuse means OP by PB. Okay na students? So like this we define the trigonometric ratios: sine of theta, cosine of theta, tangent of theta, cotangent of theta, secant of theta, cosecant of theta. So clearly you observe here, cosecant of theta is the reciprocal of sine of theta. ఇక్కడ opposite by hypotenuse ఉంటాయి, ఇక్కడ hypotenuse by opposite. Secant of theta is the reciprocal of cosine of theta, because of cosine means adjacent by hypotenuse, but secant means hypotenuse by adjacent. Cotangent of theta is the reciprocal of tangent theta, because tangent of theta means opposite by adjacent, means cotangent of theta means adjacent by opposite. So one of the important statements, students, trigonometric ratios are the ratios of the sides of a right angle triangle. Trigonometric ratios are the ratios of the sides of a triangle. It is depends only the magnitude of the angle, but not the size of the triangle. For example, it is a right triangle. ABC is a right triangle. Okay, at B measures 90 degrees. XYZ triangle XYZ is a right triangle at Y. Now clearly these two triangles are similar triangles. So here angle B is equals to 90 degrees, angle Y is equals to 90 degrees. Angles are not changed, but the size only the difference. In these two triangles, ఇక్కడ sizes different గా ఉండొచ్చు. The length of BC is greater than the length of YZ. The length of AB is greater than the length of XZ. The length of AC is greater than the length of XZ. But angle C is equals to angle Z, angle A is equals to angle X, angle B is equals to angle Y. Angles లో మాత్రం ఎటువంటి డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది ఉండదు. It's fact. Okay, so that's why trigonometric ratios are the ratios of the sides of a right angular triangle. It depends only the magnitude of the angle, not on the size. So now the abbreviated form of T ratios. So we can throughout trigonometry we used only the abbreviated forms. Okay, that is sine means we can write like simply like sine of theta. Sine of theta means that is simply sine theta. Cosine of theta means cosine of theta, that is cos theta. Tangent of theta means that is tan theta. Cotangent of theta means that is cot theta. Next, secant of theta means that is sec theta. Cosecant of theta means that is cosec theta. Throughout trigonometry we used only the abbreviated forms. Throughout trigonometry we used only these abbreviated forms. Sine of theta and sin theta. Cosine of theta means cos theta. Tangent of theta means tan theta. Cotangent of theta means cot theta. Secant of theta means sec theta. Cosecant of theta means cosec theta. So clearly what I am saying, students, here sin theta, okay, sin theta means some fellows understood like this: the product of sine and theta. Sine into theta, that is equals to sin theta. Sine into theta means that is equals to sin theta. It is absolutely wrong. Is it clear? It is not the product of sine and theta. Okay, so without theta it is meaningless. Without theta అంటే ఇక్కడ theta అనేది లేకపోతే sin, this is what nano, it is meaningless. Okay, so clearly the statement is sin theta means it is not the product of sin and theta. One statement. And without theta, ఇక్కడ sin పక్కన theta లేకపోతే this is meaningless. And here also without theta cos is meaningless here. Okay, so only this is the abbreviated form of sin is the abbreviated form of sin of theta. Sin theta means just abbreviated form of sin of theta. Cos theta means this is just abbreviated form of cosine of theta. So okay students, so these are the abbreviated forms of the trigonometric ratios. Thank you.